Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. Sorry we've been a bit quiet lately. Life's been quite hectic and that really.
Yeah, but lots of you have messaged checking how we are and wondering where we are and when our next update is in our videos. So we really appreciate that, and yeah, obviously grateful for your watching. And yeah, we had a request for a video about how our dog is settling in. If you've been watching our previous videos, you'll know that she can't help but feature in them. She just seems to know when the camera's on. So you've probably all met her lots before and know about our experience in bringing her over here, which was long, complicated and expensive. And yeah, some of you are wondering whether or not we feel like it was worth it and how she's settled in.
Right, so today's the day. One of these. Right, you can see. Yep, we're picking up our little monkey.
Time to collect the baby.
It's been a long time, hasn't it? How long's it been?
Over a month for me and over 2 months for you.
Yeah, so we're all excited. Just waiting for her to be arrived, I think. Like as we were driving in, she flew over our car. So we've got photos of that. So yeah, we'll see you when we pick her up.
10 minutes to go.
Have you got a signed baby out yet?
We signed on that.
Yeah? I'll just double check it. 99.
Hello. No, good girl. Oh, she's drinking.
I'm screaming at the same time.
No, that's that one.
Is that not that? No, it's that one.
Hello, monkey.
Hello.
Princess.
Hello,
Hey,
Baba.
princess.
Hello,
Hey, my girl. Hey, Papa.
Baba.
Hello, George. Hello, George.
Hey, Bubby. Hello, Baba.
Hey, Papa.
Hello. George, come here, Baba.
You so nice.
Good girl. Good girl,
You did it. You did it.
Good
You
girl.
did it.
Good
You
girl.
did it.
Good girl, Baba. Good girl.
Hey, Shane.
Baba.
Hey, Boba. Hey, Boba. Hey, George. Hey, you made it. You made it. Hey, Boba. Hey, George.
Hello, Baba.
Hey, monkey. Hey, monkey. George.
Hello, Papa. Oh, Papa girl.
That fun?
Take Bubby for a walk. Anywhere you want to go.
Little baby. Little baby. Little baby. Hey, George.
If I don't.
Is that? Wow. She's here.
Hello, Papa.
You think we lost you forever?
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Hey, princess.
What are you doing?
Did you get my
Lex
phone?
has got it, I think.
Where are we, baby?
So here we are at our local dog beach. We've got a few requests on Instagram asking about our dogs settling in. What do you think?
Yeah, she's settling in quite well. It's been summer here, so it's been super hot. Luckily, she doesn't have a massively thick coat, and we've got aircon. So yeah, whereas maybe in the summer at home she would have gone outside in the garden and spent a lot of time outside. She doesn't tend to do that here because it's just way too hot. But we really like coming here to the dog beach, like either first thing in the morning or last thing at night, just because it's cooled down a bit. And yeah, it's really fun here, like to watch all the dogs running around and playing with each other as well.
Yeah, you do get a lot of dogs here. She's not the socialist of dogs, but she's trying.
But yeah, so we bring her here and she has like her daily walks, but again, we either do it first thing in the morning or last thing at night when it's cooled down a bit. So we try and do a bit of a mixture, mainly the beach at the weekends.
Yeah. So there's a few things you've got to do once you bought your dog here. So one of them is register with the local council. They send you a tag, just to have an at all times.
Yeah, you have to pay that annually, and that charge covers things like the maintenance of the dog beaches. There's like dog waste bags everywhere, so the council provides the bags. There's like dog bins, there's like access to water everywhere for them to drink. And also, if your dog gets lost, they will sort of impound them and help you get your dog back.
Let's just show you what she's doing a minute. She's just being antisocial.
She's playing. She's just got a loud bark. Here she is. Be nice. Where's she got the bark?
No, you don't like it now, do you? I was barking at you. You started it. She's a dog. So yeah, we've had a dog settling in. You can hear her. Yeah, so there she is. Just playing. Well, I think it's playing, not itself.
Yeah, good job we're at the end of the beach where everybody can't hear us.
Yeah, obviously bring a dog to Australia, it's really worth it.
Yeah, the other thing that we should mention is can't concentrate with the barking. The other thing that we should mention is that ticks are very dangerous here. So if your dog gets a tick and hasn't had like regular tick treatment, your dog could get really ill and even die. So it's super important to give your dog tick treatment monthly.
Someone's a little bit tired after their beach trip this morning, and she's also quite wet because we had to wash her off because she was covered in sand. So yeah, thumbs up from her if she had thumbs. Yeah, there you go. That's kind of like what's been involved. We're showing some footage of when she arrived, how she is on the dog beach, how noisy she is. But yeah, so overall, how much did we say we paid?
It was like £8,000, $16,000, all in all of the vet and lab fees, all of the quarantine things, all of the roast chickens that we had to send her.
Yeah, DoorDash, yeah.
Because she went on hunger strike.
Yeah.
But yeah, jokes aside, it was expensive, it was complicated and long. we literally couldn't come here for 8 months because of the whole dog process. That's how long it takes to get your dog over here. So yeah, you have to have time on your side, you have to have patience, and you have to have money.
Lots of money.
And yeah, but we definitely recommend it. We've seen posts from other families that have sort of regretted, you know, leaving their dog behind and not bringing them. And yeah, I completely understand why. And I think I understand both sides. Like, if you decide not to do it, I can understand why. It's like a massive traumatic process for the dog in itself, let alone everything else. And yeah, if you are able to, then it's definitely worth it.
Yeah, I mean, you've got to factor in, like, if you've got an older dog, you know, is it really fair on them? Because I imagine it is quite stressful, you know, being whisked away, shot up in the sky for 20 odd hours, then being stuck in somewhere you don't know anyone for like 30 days.
Yeah, and all that time being handled by strangers.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, and like you said, you've got to factor that in. I mean, with our dog, she's only 4, so yeah, she's got plenty of years left in her. So it's not to what it was stressful for her. You'll see in the footage now. She's like quite quiet, and she suddenly realizes who we are, and off she goes.
Yeah, her eyes were all bloodshot
Yeah.
when she came out. Like, I definitely wouldn't want to send her back again the other way. I wouldn't want to put her through that again. I do think it's easier if you're returning an English dog to England. Just like if she had been Australian, it would have been much easier and quicker to return her back to Australia, even though that doesn't really make any sense because
Yeah.
I don't get it. But yeah.
Yeah, the overall process from that, like the company we used, they were really good. That was really helpful, wasn't it?
Yeah, Lady Hay, definitely recommend them every time. And yeah, just watch lots of videos, join lots of Facebook groups. There's loads of Pets Flying Australia Facebook groups that give you lots of information. But yeah, definitely would do it again if we had to.
Had the money as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, just paperwork is a big thing in it, paperwork and all the vets. But yeah, look at our other videos on the old travel of the dog. And
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, and we'll try and do some more videos more regularly now. We're just in the middle of making another video as well to update you on why we've been so quiet recently. And yeah, now that we perhaps won't be so busy, hopefully we can get back to making some more videos. So let us know if there's any other topics you want us to cover. We really appreciate your questions and yeah, your sort of requests for like information on other topics. And yeah, if you're liking our videos, then hit the thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps us in terms of like algorithms and things. So
yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and we'll see you again soon.
have a nice weekend.